getting a late start today because I had to upload a YouTube video. I had terrible Wi-Fi up in my room on the 4th floor. No elevator. Had to back up all my media on my thumb drives. But we're on the road and look, it's blue sky. We just left the town of Viana and today's destination is Navarrete. I wasn't able yesterday to get all the video that I wanted for you guys because it was just raining and it's hard to, whip out your phone in the rain under a poncho. And this is the first blue sky I've seen in 2 days. At my breakfast was Inga from Holland, and I said, Inga, your English is very good. And she goes, oh yeah, they would not say so in school. And I said, yeah, it's very good. And she said, they always taught us to talk like you have a hot potato in your mouth. It just cracked me up. Traversed this huge mud pile, maybe 30 meters long, 5 meters wide, and I have another one over here. Just kind of gotta walk around the edge. If you're not careful, you can lose a pole chip in this sticky mud. Yeah, my shoes are getting heavier because this is huge. My shoes are getting heavier because of the mud underneath on them. Just gotta go slow. So gross, man. And I have 5 kilometers to my halfway point. I'm in between Viana and Logroño, and I am leaving the Navarra region and entering a new region here called La Rioja. And I have to tell you that Navarra is gorgeous in spring. I would highly recommend. I don't like the look of those clouds. We might be in for a little weather today. Still making my way out of Logroño, and you can see these clouds, right? So I put my poncho on the outside, and I put things on the inside in plastic bags, because despite having your stuff in a backpack, it gets wet. There's a dachshund frolicking in the grass. Let's see if I can get closer. Still making my way out of Logroño. This park is a very nice walkway, tons of people on it, and it's got to be 3 or 4 kilometers easily. Village of Navarrete, where I'm staying tonight. Right here. Okay, it says, welcome to the archaeological remains of the church and hospital complex of San Juan de Acre de Navarrete, on the way of St. James, coming from Logroño and reaching the village of Navarrete. Doña Marie Ramirez founded in the Middle Ages a hospital complex to assist pilgrims on their way to Santiago.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Costello. Happy birthday to you.